Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your controller device is updated and signed into the correct Apple ID. This prevents pairing conflicts. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the Home app can discover accessories on the same network. Open Home, tap the plus icon, and choose Add Accessory. The app will scan for nearby HomeKit devices or prompt you to enter an 8-digit or QR setup code. You should see the device appear. Tap it to initiate the secure pairing process and move to Configuration. Once the accessory is detected, you name it to make Siri control predictable and assign it to a room so automations target the correct location. Next, choose the accessory type, light, sensor, camera, because Home uses that classification for automations and scenes. Customize device settings such as brightness ranges or motion sensitivity, and set user permissions so household members can control it. If the device requires a manufacturer bridge or hub, complete that app's linking steps, then return to Home to finalize integration and verify state reporting. To finish, test basic controls and create a simple scene or automation to confirm the accessory responds as expected. This verifies both communication and the rules you'll rely on. If the device doesn't appear or is unresponsive, restart your Home Hub, HomePod, Apple TV, or iPad, because it often resolves network or cache issues. If problems persist, reset the accessory using the manufacturer's procedure to clear prior pairings, then re-add it in the Home app. That removes stale associations and completes a clean setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.